Mastering organization. The key to rhetorical skills. Hey learners! Today, we're going to dive deep into one of the most crucial aspects of the ACT English test, especially under the Rhetorical Skills section, organization. It's not just about knowing grammar and vocabulary. How you structure and organize your ideas can make a huge difference in your score. Organization in the context of the ACT refers to how ideas and details are laid out in a passage. This could be the sequence of events in a story, the logical flow of an argument, the placement of supporting details in an explanation. When you're tackling ACT questions, you might be asked to identify the best place for a new sentence, or to determine how a paragraph contributes to the overall purpose of a passage. There are typically two main types of organization questions on the ACT. 1. Sentence-level organization. These questions might ask where a sentence best fits within a paragraph. It's essential to look for contextual clues in surrounding sentences. 2. Paragraph-level organization. These could involve identifying the main idea of a paragraph or determining the most logical sequence of paragraphs. Remember, the ACT isn't just testing your ability to spot errors, but also how well you can organize ideas cohesively. 1. Understand the passage's main idea. Before diving into the questions, take a moment to grasp the main idea of the passage. This will help you align individual sentences or paragraphs with the broader message. 2. Use transitional words as clues. Words like, however, in addition, firstly, and, as a result, can give you hints about how sentences and paragraphs relate to each other. 3. Always read before and after. When you're asked where a new sentence might fit best, always read the sentences before and after the suggested placement options. This helps in ensuring the sentence fits smoothly and logically. 4. Practice with real ACT passages. The more you practice, the better you'll get at quickly spotting organizational errors and understanding the flow of different types of texts. There you have it. Organization is more than just putting things in order. It's about creating a coherent and compelling narrative or argument. The next time you practice for the ACT English test, remember these tips and strategies. We hope this video sheds light on mastering the art of organization. Until next time, happy studying and keep practicing.